Famata Career Counseling and Training is enabling success in the journey of your life for the past 12 years in consulting, training, and counseling. We are a team of career counselors, psychologists, educationalists, industry experts, and happy parents with 300 plus years of collective experience. We would like to present an interesting study of how project management is represented within the Tamil classical literature Tirukkural. We are now in part 3 of a 6-part series of the videos. Tirukkural was written by Thiruvalluvar, who was a great poet. He lived many thousand years back and he defined the ethics of life in the time proven 1330 Tirukkural known as verses or couplets. This was represented in less than 2 lines in 133 chapters, each chapter containing 10 verses. Famata Career Counseling and Training is releasing micro videos on Tirukkural on daily basis. You may watch those videos under the playlist URL given here. In the current essay of Tirukkural versus project management, we are dealing with part 2 of planning that covers plan for the cost, plan for the budget, plan for the activities, and plan for the schedule. Let us see how Tirukkural addresses these aspects. Tirukkural 478 talks about plan for the cost. ஆகார் அளவிட்டிதாயினுங் கேடில்லை போகார் அகலாக் கடை. எதைக் கொடுத்தாலும் தம் நிலையை அறிந்து கொடுக்கவும். அப்படிக் கொடுப்பதே பொருளைக் காத்துக்கொண்டு கொடுக்கும் முறையான வழியாகும். This means whatever is being given should be done after knowing one's status. That is the appropriate way of preserving and giving. In a nutshell, spend based on the current status. Plan for the cost is also continued in Tirukkural 479 as அளவறிந்து வாழாதான் வாழ்க்கை உளபோல இல்லாகி தோன்றா கெடும். பொருளின் அளவு அறிந்து வாழாதவனுடைய வாழ்க்கை இருப்பது போல் தோன்றி இல்லாமல் மறைந்து கெட்டுவிடும். This means one who doesn't live without knowing their status will find their wealth disappearing like a mirage. In a nutshell, rely on the real status. Plan for the budget is explained in Tirukkural 463 as ஆக்கங்கருதி முதலிழக்குஞ் செய்வினை ஊக்கார் அறிவுடையார். பின் விளையும் ஊதியத்தை கருதி உள்ள முதலை இழந்துவிட காரணமான செயலை அறிவுடையார் மேற்கொள்ள மாட்டார். This means the wise will not perform activities that causes loss of the wealth in hand in anticipation of a futuristic profit. In a nutshell, invest wisely. Tirukkural 675 deals with plan for the activities. பொருள், கருவி, காலம், வினையிடனோடைந்தும் இருள் தீர எண்ணிச் செயல். பொருள், ஏற்ற கருவி, தக்க காலம், தொழில், உரிய இடம் ஆகிய ஐந்தினையும் மயக்கம் தீர எண்ணிச் செய்ய வேண்டும். This means the 5 things to be considered without any doubts are investment, tool, time, work, and place. In a nutshell, consider a holistic approach. Continuing with the plan for the activities in Tirukkural 466, செய்தக்க அல்ல செயக்கெடுஞ் செய்தக்க செய்யாமை யானுங் கெடும். செய்யக்கூடாததை செய்வதால் கேடு ஏற்படும். செய்ய வேண்டியதை செய்யாமல் விட்டாலும் கேடு ஏற்படும். This means it is harmful not only to perform undesired activities but also to delay essential activities. In a nutshell, procrastination is harmful. Tirukkural 484 talks about plan for the schedule as ஞாலங் கருதினும் கைகூடும் காலம் கருதி இடத்தார் செயின். உரிய காலத்தையும் இடத்தையும் ஆய்ந்தறிந்து செயல்பட்டால் உலகமே கூட கைக்குள் வந்துவிடும். This means it is even possible to conquer the world if acted upon considering the appropriate time and place. In a nutshell, time and place is crucial. Continuing with the plan for the schedule in Tirukkural 483, அருவினை என்ப உளவோ கருவியார் காலமறிந்து செயின். தேவையான சாதனங்களுடன் உரிய நேரத்தையும் அறிந்து செயல்பட்டால் முடியாதவை என்று எவையும் இல்லை. This means there is nothing that is impossible if the right time and the necessary equipments are identified and used. In a nutshell, time and equipments is also critical. Formata Career Counseling and Training is supporting with the following resources for your help. There are many videos on project management topics. The URL of the playlist is given here. There are many roles associated with project management, and you can analyze the career profile of leadership, namely CXOs. A detailed report in a video form is presented in the URL given here. Analyze the career profile of sales manager, sales engineer, and sales head, and view the report in a video form under the URL given here. You may also analyze the career profile of manager, engineer, and supervisor. The sample report in a video form is available in the URL given here. For any other information, contact Suresh Tyagarajan under the email ID and phone number given here. Formata thanks you for watching this video. We will meet you again in part 4 of the series of the videos covering the rest of the planning activities.